Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete animations in PowerPoint, but here's the twist, you won't actually have to delete them one by one. So, imagine you've added tons of animations across your slides. Then suddenly, you realize you don't want animations for your presentation. What do? Going through every slide to delete them manually would take forever, right? Here's a smarter way to handle it. First, hold down the Shift key and click the Slideshow button. This opens the Setup Show window. Now, select Show without animation and hit OK. When you start your slideshow now, you'll see all your slides, but without any animations. It's like they've been temporarily disabled, super handy, right? But don't worry. If you ever want your animations back, just repeat the process. Hold Shift, click on Slideshow View, and this time, uncheck Show without animation. Click OK, and voila! Your animations are back in action. See? No need to waste time deleting anything manually. It's quick, easy, and efficient. And that wraps up this tutorial on how to delete animations in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips. See you next time.